Hi, hello students. This is Saran's diary. இப்போ part 2 video motion lessonல details question and answers பார்க்க போறோம். Question number 1. Derive equation of motion by graphical method. Answer. An object is in motion with initial velocity u at times a final velocity v in time t due to acceleration a with displacement s. Let us try to derive the equations by graphical method. Equations of motion from velocity time graph. The graph is very must. You have to draw this diagram also. Graph shows the change in velocity with the time for an uniform accelerated object. The object starts from the point D in the graph with velocity u. Its velocity keeps increasing after time t. It reaches the point B on the graph. Initial velocity of the object u equal to OD equal to EA. Final velocity of the object v equal to OC equal to EB. Time equal to t equal to OE equal to DA. Also from the graph we know that AB equal to DC. For the first equation by definition, acceleration equal to change in velocity by time. Final velocity minus initial velocity by time. So you have to take the value from this initial and final velocity and note it down. OC minus OD by OE equal to DC by OE. So acceleration A equal to DC by T. DC equal to AB equal to AT. From the graph EB equal to EA plus AB. So V equal to U plus AT. The equation is first. This is first equation of motion. Second equation for the second from the graph the distance covered by the object during time t is given by the area of quadrangle DOEB. S equal to area of quadrangle DOEB. S equal to area of rectangle DOEA plus area of triangle DAB. AE into OE plus 1 by 2 AB into DA. S equal to UT plus half AT squared. This is second equation of motion. Next, from the graph, the distance covered by the object during time t is given by the area of quadrangle DOEB. Here DOEB is the trapezium. Then S equal to area of trapezium DOEB. Half into sum of the length of parallel side into distance between the parallel sides. So half into OD plus BE into OE. S equal to 1 by 2 U plus V into T. Since you have to write 1 by 2 into V plus U into V minus U by acceleration. So V squared equal to U squared plus 2AS. This is equation of motion. Next question number 2. Explain different types of motion. In physics, motion can be classified as below. The linear motion, motion along a straight line. Circular motion, motion along a circular path. Oscillatory motion, repetitive to and fro motion of an object at regular interval of time. Random motion, motion of the object which does not fall in any of the above categories. Next, uniform and non-uniform motion. So consider a car which covers 60 km in the first hour, 60 km in second hour அது spelling mistake கொடுத்திருக்காங்க HOUR and another 60 km in the third hour and so on. The car covers the equal distance at equal interval of time. We can say that the motion of a car is uniform motion. An object is said to be in uniform motion if it covers equal distance in equal interval of time, howsoever big or small this time intervals may be. Non-uniform motion. Now consider a bus starting from one stop. It proceeds slowly when it is passed through a crowded area of the road. Suppose it manages to travel merely 100 meter in 5 minutes due to heavy traffic and is able to travel about 2 kilometer in 5 minutes when the road is clear. Okay, hence the motion of the bus is non-uniform, that is it travel unequal distance in equal interval of time. Okay, this is over. Thank you students. Next video la நம்ம meet பண்ணலாம். It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.